Hello everyone, I'm Nagaraj Annaiah, your trusted Bay Area Realtor. Today I'm going to show you a beautiful upgraded condo right here in Milpitas, 1496 Nightshade Road, unit number 30. Welcome. Welcome to 1496 Nightshade Road, unit number 30. This home offers a single level living with an open concept floor plan, filled with a natural light from a large windows, making every space feel open and airy. Throughout the home, you will find a luxury vinyl flooring, stylish, durable and low maintenance. It's the perfect blend of beauty and practically offering the look of wood with enhanced durability. The kitchen features a quartz countertops, modern modular cabinets and high-end stainless steel appliances, ideal for both everyday use and entertaining. Location. This north-facing unit is a part of the vibrant metro community located on a premium lot directly across from a city park with a tennis courts, perfect for staying active while enjoying scenic views. Location-wise, you're just minutes from a Milpitas BART, VTA and major freeways like 880 and 680, making this home a commuter's dream. Security and convenience go hand in hand with a controlled building entry and a private elevator, ideal for everyday ease of moving in. If you're looking for a move-in ready modern condo with premium finishes and an unbeatable access, 1496 Nightshade Road, unit number 30 could be a perfect match. Schedule your private tour today or visit nagarajhomes.com for more info. Like, share and subscribe for more premium Bay Area real estate listings and expert real estate tips.